If you want a darker, easier on the eyes browsing experience, Microsoft Edge makes it very simple to switch to dark mode. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to enable it. Click the three-dot menu in the top right corner of the browser window. From the menu, select Settings. Once you're inside Settings, look on the left-hand side and click Appearance. This is where Microsoft Edge controls how the browser looks, including themes, layout, and overall color style. You'll see a few choices like light, dark, and system default. To enable dark mode, simply select Dark. The browser will instantly switch to a dark theme, changing menus, tabs, and interface elements to darker colors that are easier on the eyes, especially at night. If you prefer, you can also choose System Default, which automatically matches your Windows or Mac system theme. So if your computer is set to dark mode, Edge will follow it automatically. Now here's something many people don't notice. Right in the same appearance section, Microsoft Edge also lets you change the browser's accent colors and overall visual style. So if you want more than just dark mode, you can customize colors to make the browser feel more personal and unique. For example, you can choose different highlight colors that change certain UI elements. Let me show you a few options to help you decide. If you ever want to switch back, just return to the same theme setting and select light mode again. Overall, enabling dark mode in Microsoft Edge is a quick way to reduce eye strain and give your browser a cleaner, more modern look. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more Microsoft Edge tips, customization guides, and browser tutorials.